In this video, I'm going to show you how to play this tune, Londonderry Air, on the keyboard. Yeah. To start, the first line, we'll do chord C, 1, 3, 5, yeah, chord 1, and then we'll play chord 4, 1, 4, 6, yeah, and then we'll play 1 and 5, yeah, straightforward, 1, 4, 1, 5, yeah. As I always say, if you want to move from 1 to 4, you just move the top 2 fingers up. If you want to move from 1 to 5, you move the bottom 2 fingers down. Yeah, so let's do it together. The next phrase is relatively straightforward because the first half is the same as the previous. And then we have 1-5-1 arrangement. 1, 5, 1. Yeah, so that's the first half of the song, and we're going to do it together. We have a 1-3-1. Because my top note is on that top C, it might be a better idea to play slightly higher chord 1. I play this one, and the chord 1 to chord 3 just require me to move 1 finger down. Yeah, 1, 3, 1. Yeah. Then we have 6, 4, 5, and when I play 6, I want 6, 1, 3, yeah. Play from chord 6 to chord 4, I only need to change the middle note. And from chord 4 to chord 5, I just need to move up a note. Yeah, so that will be 6, 4, 5, yeah. And then we have 1. So to play this together. Thank you very much for watching.